Why do 100% of kids love summer? Because it's packed with endless adventures. Summer's here, and it's time for unforgettable adventures for parents and kids. Join us as we explore 12 fun activities to make this summer amazing. Start with nature hunts. Discover rocks, bugs, and flowers. It's a great way to learn about the environment while having fun. Build awesome obstacle courses and enjoy camping nights with tents and marshmallows. Don't forget to tell spooky stories around the campfire. Get creative with rock painting, bird feeder making, and homemade Play-Doh. These activities are perfect for sparking creativity and imagination. Feel the thrill of erupting volcanoes and dive into a summer reading challenge. Encourage kids to explore new books and expand their horizons. Plus, build cozy forts for family game nights. It's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories. Cook yummy treats together and garden like magic. Teach kids about different plants and how to take care of them. This summer's about creating memories that last a lifetime. Enjoy simple pleasures like picnics and watching sunsets. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this summer unforgettable with endless playtime and exciting learning. Hit that like button if you're ready to start the adventure. Subscribe for more amazing family fun ideas. Try flying kites on a windy day or having a bubble blowing contest. Simple joys can create the best memories. Make homemade ice cream or set up a lemonade stand. These activities teach kids about teamwork and entrepreneurship. Set up a mini golf course in your backyard or organize a scavenger hunt. These games are perfect for friendly competition and fun. End the day with a backyard movie night or stargazing. It's a magical way to wind down and enjoy the summer nights. Gather around a bonfire on the beach and play with sparklers. These moments will light up your summer nights. Enroll in a summer sports camp or take swimming lessons. It's a great way to stay active and learn new skills. Craft friendship bracelets or write letters to pen pals. These activities help kids build connections and express themselves. Explore local museums or visit the zoo. It's an educational adventure that kids will love. Play in a treehouse or have a backyard campout. These experiences bring a sense of adventure right to your home. Make a time capsule or create a summer scrapbook. Capture the memories and look back on them for years to come. Enjoy a sunset boat ride or go fishing. These peaceful activities are perfect for family bonding. Play with a giant beach ball or have a tug-of-war game. These classic games never get old. Have a water gun fight or make a giant slip and slide. Cool off and have a blast on hot summer days. Explore a farmer's market or pick fresh fruits at an orchard. It's a delicious way to spend the day. Learn to ride a bike or go rollerblading in the park. These activities are great for building confidence and coordination. Put on a puppet show or perform a backyard play. Encourage kids to use their imagination and creativity. Make tie-dye shirts or create a summer photo album. These crafts are perfect for capturing the essence of summer. Spend a day at the amusement park or ride a carousel. These outings are sure to bring joy and excitement. Play with a pet or visit an animal shelter. Teach kids about compassion and caring for animals. Have a dance party or learn a new musical instrument. These activities are great for expressing creativity and having fun. This summer's about creating memories that last a lifetime. Enjoy simple pleasures like picnics and watching sunsets. So what are you waiting for? Let's make this summer unforgettable with endless playtime and exciting learning. Hit that like button if you're ready to start the adventure. Subscribe for more amazing family fun ideas.